All right, hi students. With the link that I provided for you on my website, go ahead and click on the Sears link. All right, and when you click on that link, it's going to take you to this website right here. And again, on this record, I'm not going to say the password. You can see the username is 2826HARHS, and of course, I'll give you the password. It's both on the website, and I'll give it to you in class. Anyway, when you hit enter, you will come across this. Now, this Sears Issues Researcher is a great resource to use within the classroom when we start our debate topics. And one of the major debate topics we're going to be having is over school shootings. And what you'll see there on the main page, and actually on the main page, you can see how you can search. And then the main one there is school shootings. And you have electric vehicles, gender identity, gun control, U.S.-Mexico border wall. These are all issues that will sexual harassment. All of these are issues that we'll be talking about throughout this year. So anyway, before we get into that, I also want you to link this to your Google account. So if you go up here to the top, you'll see where the cursor is, link Google account. Go ahead and click on that. And what we'll do, it will allow you to be able to save articles and whatnot to your Google Drive, so for easy access. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign in, and you want to do that. And oh shoot. Okay. Well, unfortunately, that is a feature that is yet to come. But we'll do that in the future once it's ready to go. So anyway, let's go ahead and click on school shootings. All right, and you'll notice here that there are the essential question that we're going to be looking at in class is: should teachers and other staff members be allowed to have concealed weapons at school? And it gives all this information about it, some very basic information. Okay. And then down below, you'll notice there is viewpoint 1 and viewpoint 2. And again, when we start debating this, it'll be great for both sides, as each viewpoint is researched. It has a lot of data on this web page to start your research. And so, and again, as you go down further down, you will see it has other articles that would relate to this topic as well. All right, and if we go back to the main page, let's just go back to the first page. All right, let's for example look at sexual harassment. And again, is the Me Too movement, which we've talked about many times, a catalyst for ending workplace sexual harassment? And you'll see again, same type of thing: viewpoint 1, viewpoint 2, followed by all sorts of different articles that relate to that topic. So this is going to be a great website for us to use throughout the semester when doing research on specific topics and leading into debates. So again, if you have any questions, feel free to ask or email me. Thank you for watching.